Are you just happy as can be in that chair?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you are. Are you just having a great little time with your snack?
Yeah.
Yeah, snack. What do you have, Cubby?
Uh,
What do you have in your hand? What is that? Oh, that's your hand. But what's in your hand? Apple? Do you have an apple?
Yeah.
Where's your apple? Can you say apple?
Apple.
Where's your lettuce? Lettuce. Where's your granola bar? Where's your granola bar, Cubby? Can you say granola bar? Bar, where's your cracker? Cracker! Where's your water? You are so cute! Cute little thing.